So you saw my last video. I had to pull out I had to go ahead and till this up in order to get it up. It had like a 1 to 2 inch layer of concrete on it. So now that I got that peeled apart, you can see that I've been scalping the yard. Now I'm trying to get the clippings up. I still have to do this area here, but I didn't start that off because I have a lot of, let's see if you can see that, still got a lot of debris out there that I need to get up. I didn't want to run my mower over it. Now I have this mower here that I'm trying to get the scalp done, and the ground is so uneven, and as it goes over these hills and bumps, it won't quite, the wheels are not actually touching ground, so this is really bumpy here. So what I did do, I started with this is my new lawnmower here. I wouldn't dare scalp with that, but I came with this one here, this big boy. So I scalped it down with 1 inch with the commercial lawnmower, and then I came back with the push lawnmower here in order to pick up the clipping. So what I think I'm going to do is, because that one is 30 inch, I think I'm going to raise the deck on it and try to go over. Try to go over it and pick up some of these clippings too. So I want to get all these clippings up, and then I'm going to go with a round of biochemicals. I'm going to go ahead and put some RGS down, some dethatch. I'm going to put some MSMA down. I'm going to put some, I think I'm going to go ahead and put some insecticide down, and some pre-emergence all down. All this is going to be liquid form. Putting down liquids right now. So I'm not necessarily feeding the grass just yet, because it's still 70% dormant, 80% dormant. So right now I'm really just feeding the soil. I'm going to throw all that humic acid and everything down, and I'm going to do it in a liquid form so that the rain won't wash it away. And I will come back, probably the true fertilization will probably be in May or so, depending on how this grass react. And I'm going to be really heavy on fertilizing from there on, because I have to get all this to cover. And what I did notice from last year is that this grass will grow about 1 inch a day. I tested it out. I saw a stolen, and I put a ruler out, and I came out and checked it, and each day it had grown 1 inch. So it will spread very fast if you give it a lot of nitrogen. So now I have to come out and kill all this stuff. Probably going to use some herbicide that kills everything on this stuff here, which is some glyphosate. So I'm going to go and pull that glyphosate out and come over here and get all this stuff taken care of before the actual growing season starts to pound. Probably I'm going to load up with a big boy and then spray all of that. I'm going to spray all that with MSMA. I love this product. It has dicamba in it, and I'm going to show that to you right now. But the reason why I use it is because it covers so much, and it's cheaper to buy this weeding feed than it is to buy the dicamba by itself. So let me show it to you. So this right here is what I use, and it is a fertilizer, but look how much you get 50,000 square feet out of that. It was more economical for me to buy this than to go out and get some herbicides from Home Depot per se. So this is my little secret weapon here, and I'm not actually using it for fertilizer at this moment, but it's not gonna hurt. So there's a lot of my other chemicals that I have. I'll be going over that because what I've found is some variations that I can use that'll get me near the same performance and at a lot cheaper, because this is about $125 for that right there. So the other stuff that I have, I'll get probably the same performance with a whole lot less money. So keep watching. I'm excited to show you that what I found out, some natural remedies, some natural things, and cheaper way of getting that. Anyway, I got a long way to go. I'm gonna start doing some of my inside stuff here. These are the cabinets that I built last year because I'm getting ready to redo the bathroom. That's gonna be an inside video, hopefully starting that soon. That's my bike that I don't ride much nowadays, and that's some of the stuff that that helps me get this stuff done. Hey guys, thanks for watching.